Hello everyone, my name is Rakhi and I welcome you all to Guidely. This is the descriptive session and it is based on situation analysis. As we all know, email writing, report writing, situation analysis, and précis writing. These are the four tasks of our new SBI PO descriptive pattern. And out of these four, one is a situation analysis that we are going to do today. तो आप जानेंगे कि how can we assess a situation and what are the important points that we need to cover for it. तो इसकी राइटिंग को कैसे करना है, everything you are going to get in this video. So quickly take a pen along with a paper, and whenever you see any important point, do not forget to note it down. It's going to be a very special session because this is something new which SBI is doing this time. So what are the important steps and how can you solve smartly with STAR method? This is a method जिससे आप कोई भी situation को कभी भी assess करोगे and you are going to write anything. Your situation analysis will be very beautiful, relevant, and you are not going to lose any single mark for this. Okay. First, why is it in your exam? What is the ability that examiner wants to check or wants to see that you have this or not? That is, situation analysis is the ability to assess a problem, evaluate possible solutions, and choose the best action based on logic and reasoning. Let's take a general example. You are a bank manager. One of the customers comes to the branch and starts shouting and starts complaining that you guys are really bad. My account is not working properly, or for example, your services are pathetic, or there is an unauthorized transaction, or he gets a fight with any of the like bank staff members. Anything can be happen, right? For that kind of situation, now you are supposed to analyze everything and you have to write it down. What will you do? What is your responsibility, and what are your steps that you should take? That is what all comes under situation analysis. Why is it important if you ask me? The first and very important skill is problem solving skill. All the time situation analysis will be for some negative things. It will never be for some positive things या कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो रहा होगा that you need to tell कि wow बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. No, it is a situation. It is a bad one. It is a bad one and you are the one who is responsible there and you need to do something. Okay, maybe someone comes and he's very panicked, he's very anxious because he just lost his wallet, and all the cards, all the debit, all the credit cards were in the wallet, and he is too worried. He came and just was like, I don't know what to do, all my cards are gone. What if someone misuses it or them? In that case, what is your responsibility? What should be your response to that person? How will you gonna handle all this situation? This is what you are supposed to write. All right. Second, your decision making ability. If someone is shouting at your colleague, at your staff, what will you do? Will you just gonna abuse them? Will you just going to say bad things to your staff because your customer is very important? Then so what? The staff is also like equally important. So your decision making ability will be checked here. Well, ये सारी की सारी चीजें जो मैं आपको यहाँ बता रही हूँ, I'm explaining them in much more detail in this course. So do not forget to join my descriptive course to learn all the tactics, all the strategies, and all the templates are even there that you just need to learn, and you can use them in any situation analysis, in any email, in any report, even with précis writing. It doesn't come with a very heavy budget. It is just in 399. Even if you use the code DESC, you are going to get with 10% discount. So the first thing we need to keep in our mind is the tone and language for situation analysis. You have to use active voice. And why so? Because it was said, it was clearly stated in the notification from SBI in PET that most of your statements must be in active voice. You are responsible. You should not say this will be done. You should say, I will do this. The team will do this. The bank will do this. So show that you are the responsible person and take responsibility. So The right way is the team resolved the issue efficiently, naki the issue was resolved by the team. Be professional and formal. Most of the situations will be official, will be like in office condition. In office condition, your tone must be the same. Use a solution oriented approach. Don't just blabber, don't just beat about the bush. Cut the crap, come to the point and talk about that. So you should always say, like, the problem has no solution. No way, you cannot state that. You have to come up with some light words that a structured approach can help resolve this challenge. So this is how you need to sound: solution oriented approach. Be concise and precise. Don't write a lot of things. Be very concise, because obviously if the time constraint is there also आपके पास word limit भी है. A key point is a structured response, higher marks and better impression. So, क्या होनी चाहिए बेहतरीन अप्रोच सॉल्व करने के लिए एग्जाम्स में? सबसे पहले जो आपका सिचुएशन है उसे अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करिए. Read the question carefully. Identify the main cause, people involved, and challenges. Look for keywords like customer complaint, policy violation, ethical dilemma, crisis, conflict resolution. For example, a customer at your bank is furious because a transaction failed and money was deducted. How will you handle it? Suppose it is an amount of 1 lakh rupees. Anyone with this big amount can get furious. Even if it is just 5,000 rupees, still a person can get furious. What is your responsibility? What should be your take on it? So, define your role. You are bank manager, or maybe you can be team leader. You can be a customer service executive. Your response should be according to your position. If you are a bank's manager, then yes, you can write that you will handle this matter. If you are just, a team leader, not the company's owner, you cannot grant the thing which you are not supposed to, because you do not have the rights to take that important decision because you are not at that position. So your response should match the position's responsibility in professional setup. जैसे कि as a bank manager, your role is to resolve the customer's issue, ensure transparency, and retain customers' trust. You cannot change the policies of bank that you are not responsible for. That doesn't come in your forte, right? Keep your response professional and neutral. Avoid emotions. No blaming, no frustration. For example, someone comes and picks a fight with your staff, and you are just like, you are yelling at your staff, how dare you? This is customer. How can you talk with him like that? No way. This is not how you assess a situation. You have to be calm, you have to be polite, and professionally you handle a situation. If it is wrong, there is a way to punish, there is a way to say things, even they are harsh, but politely and in professional manner. Be diplomatic, handle tough situation calmly, stick to facts, provide a well-reasoned, realistic approach or response. For example, if an account is deducted 500 rupees and that was the charges for debit card, okay, the person comes, shouts, yells, complains, and says, I need this money back. I don't know, I just need this money back. You can take my credit card, you can take this. No, you cannot. That doesn't come within the bank's policy. If you are availing something, you have to pay for it, but you have to say this politely. Okay, prioritize ethics and practicality. Follow company policies, never break rules for personal gain or customer satisfaction. Ensure fairness, take decisive action, avoid vague responses. I will try my best. No, we will provide you with a solution as soon as possible. Use the STAR method. This is my best approach. If you use this in any situation analysis, you are going to write a beautiful paragraph or paragraphs. So S for situation, know what is the situation. Task, what is the task you need to do or needs to be done for that particular situation? What actions you are going to take and what result will it come with? This is STAR method. Use this method and you will be able to write any situation analysis in your exam on any topic. Example. So situation is basically what happened. For example, ये मतलब कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इसमें कौन कौन इन्वॉल्व था, प्रॉब्लम या चैलेंज क्या है, या व्हाई वाज सिचुएशन इम्पोर्टेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, a customer's online transaction failed multiple times and they became angry, demanding an immediate solution. We know the problem. We know कि क्या हुआ है, multiple times fail हुआ है. कौन इन्वॉल्व है, कस्टमर है. प्रॉब्लम चैलेंज क्या है कि भाई वो गुस्सा है और इमीडिएट सोल्यूशन मांग रहा है. दिस इज व्हाट वी न्यू. नाउ व्हाट वाज योर रोल और योर टास्क. आपका काम है यहाँ पे सिचुएशन को अच्छे से समझो पहले तो. ठीक है, आप सिचुएशन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को समझाइए और समझिए. देन आपको क्या करना चाहिए. योर टास्क शुड बी क्लियर एंड रेलेवेंट टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई रोल वॉज टू एक्नॉलेज द कस्टमर्स फ्रस्ट्रेशन, identify the issue, and provide a resolution to restore trust in the bank service. That is what my task is. Let's come to the action part now. What did you do? So describe the steps you took to handle the situation. जैसे कि पहले तो मैंने उन्हें बड़े ध्यान से सुना. I listened patiently, checked the transaction logs, and identified a technical issue. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, फिर मैं जो टीम होगी, टेक्निकल टीम होगी, then I'll transfer it to you. या मैं उनसे अभी के लिए बोलूँगा कि इस पे टीम काम कर रही है, आप आराम से घर जाइए, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. So I guided the customer through an alternative payment method and reassured them about transaction safety. Then comes the result. अब result क्या होगा, तो impact क्या हुआ. The customer successfully completed the transaction, felt reassured, and appreciated the prompt support, improving their trust in bank's service. तो इसमें है रिजल्ट क्या हुआ, कैसे आपने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी, क्या हुई कि नहीं हुई, और कैसे इसको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को इस चीज से बेनिफिट मिलेगा. ऑलवेज ऐड दिस. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू हैव टू ऐड दिस कि अगर आपने अच्छा काम किया है, if you assess the situation, like efficiently, then how is it going to benefit the organization, the bank. For example, if it is a school, you are the principal, and if there is a conflict, you are doing something, you are trying to make the things calm down, or you want to take them in control. So how is it going to provide benefits or like be beneficial for the school in the long run. So this is what we end at the end, और जिससे क्या होता है ना, बहुत ही अच्छा साउंड करता है, right? So there are a lot of things I told you. Let's use them with practical approach. A customer visits your branch frustrated over a failed ATM transaction where money was debited but not dispensed. How will you handle the situation? चलो स्टार से काम करते हैं. सिचुएशन ये है कि ट्रांजैक्शन फेल हो गया है, एटीएम से मनी कट गई है बट पैसे नहीं मिले और वो फ्रस्ट्रेट है. टास्क ये है कि हमें इश्यू को इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है, देन हमें प्रोसेस को एक्सप्लेन करना है और इंश्योर करना है स्मूथ रेजोल्यूशन हो जाएगा. कस्टमर का ट्रस्ट बना रहना चाहिए. वी नीड टू टेक द एक्शन. हम कस्टमर को एकदम शांत करेंगे, ट्रांजैक्शन डिटेल्स को चेक करेंगे, एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि कैसे ऑटो रिवर्स पैसे अपने आप हो जाते हैं. हम उन्हें गाइड करेंगे कि अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो अभी भी हम लोग काम कर सकते हैं. हम उन्हें ऑल्टरनेट बैंकिंग ऑप्शन समझाएंगे ताकि फ्यूचर में ऐसा ना हो. एंड रिजल्ट क्या होगा, कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड रहेंगे, रीअश्योर्ड रहेंगे, एंड दैट इन दैट. चलो नाउ रीड इट. Situation analysis title is Handling a Failed ATM Transaction Complaint Effectively. A customer approached me frustrated over a failed ATM transaction where money was debited but not dispensed. My priority was to calm the customer, investigate the issue, and provide a resolution while maintaining customer trust. Our first paragraph, problem, and what should you do? Two things. Now, I first listened. ये आपका यहाँ पे टास्क आ गया, सिचुएशन आ गया. I first listened patiently and assured them that the issue would be resolved. I then checked the transaction details in the bank system and found that the amount was pending for auto reversal within 24 hours. I explained this process to the customer to ensure a smooth resolution. I guided them to file a formal dispute if the refund was not processed automatically. I provided a tracking reference number and assured timely updates. Additionally, I advised the customer on using mobile banking and alternate ATMs to avoid similar inconvenience. By handling the situation professionally, I ensured that the customer left satisfied and reassured. Preventing escalation and maintaining trust is our banking service, in our banking service. So how beautifully we analyzed everything. Analysis हो गया, हमने अपना टास्क एक्सप्लेन कर दिया बहुत अच्छे से, एंड देन हमने बाद में यहाँ पे रिजल्ट भी रख दिया कि भाई इससे होना क्या चाहिए. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज योर टास्क? आपका टास्क है बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करना. हाउ विल यू प्रैक्टिस? ये जितनी भी चीजें मैंने आपको सिखाई हैं, अगर आपको और डिटेल में पढ़ना है, कम इन माय बैच में पढ़िए. एक कई सारे एग्जांपल्स देखिए चीजों के. दैट विल बी वेरी 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 मच बेनिफिट फॉर यू. आई गारंटी if you watch every class, if you do what I like tell you to do, you are going to get really good marks in it. You can practice as well. आप practice कीजिए email writing, reports writing, situation analysis, pressy writing. How? There are 15 sets from each topic. Either it's pressy, situation, report, email. आपकी यहाँ पे word count, spelling correction and grammar correction. Everything will be there in just 199. Use code selection to get 10% extra discount. That is your homework question. You will do this in your homework. आपके पास में सवाल है, a customer visits the bank frustrated that an unauthorized transaction has been deducted from their account. They demand an immediate refund and threaten to escalate the issue to higher authorities. How will you handle the situation? आप मुझे comment section में इसका स्टार लिख के बताओगे all these 4 things कि इसके ऊपर यहाँ पर क्या बनना चाहिए, and I will wait for your right answers in the comment section. All right, so I'll wait that everyone must answer, because that only I can check that it is correct or not. So I'm gonna like comment there, and I'll let you know whether it's correct or not. All right, so thank you so much. That's a batch. Once more, you can join my batch. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.